The Indian National Congress is a political party in India with widespread roots. Founded in 1885, it was the first modern nationalist movement to emerge in the British Empire in Asia and Africa. From the late 19th century, and especially after 1920, under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, Congress became the principal leader of the Indian independence movement. Congress led India to independence from the United Kingdom, and powerfully influenced other anti-colonial nationalist movements in the British Empire, making it one of the world's oldest active political parties. Congress is one of the two major political parties in India, along with its main rival the Bharatiya Janata Party. Congress is a big tent party whose platform is generally considered in the center in its ideological orientation of Indian politics, with influential liberal and progressive wings. Congress social policy is based upon the Gandhian principle of Sarvodaya, the lifting up of all sections of society, which involves the improvement of the lives of economically underprivileged and socially marginalized people. On social issues, it advocates secular policies that encourage equal opportunity, right to health, civil liberty and welfare of weaker sections and minorities, with support for a mixed economy. After India's independence in 1947, Congress formed the Union Government of India and many state governments of India. Congress became India's dominant political party. As of 2019, in the 17 general elections since independence, it has won an outright majority on 7 occasions and has led the ruling coalition a further 3 times, heading the central government for more than 54 years. There have been 6 Congress Prime Ministers, the first being Jawaharlal Nehru, from 2004 to 2014. United Progressive Alliance, a coalition of Congress with several regional parties, formed the Indian government led by Manmohan Singh. The Prime Minister is the head of the coalition government. The leader of the party during the period, Sonia Gandhi, has served the longest term as the president of the party. As of February 2021, the party is in power in 6 legislative assemblies: Punjab, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. The Indian National Congress conducted its first session in Bombay from 28 to 31 December 1885 at the initiative of retired civil service officer Alan Octavian Hume. In 1883, Hume had outlined his idea for a body representing Indian interests in an open letter to graduates of the University of Calcutta. Its aim was to obtain a greater share in government for educated Indians, and to create a platform for civic and political dialogue between them and the British Raj. Hume took the initiative, and in March 1885 a notice convening the first meeting of the Indian National Union to be held in Pune the following December was issued. Due to a cholera outbreak there, it was moved to Bombay. Hume organized the first meeting in Bombay with the approval of the Viceroy Lord Dufferin. Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president of Congress. The first session was attended by 72 delegates, representing each province of India. Notable representatives included Scottish ICS officer William Wedderburn, Dadabhai Nauroji, Firoz Shah Mehta of the Bombay Presidency Association, Ganesh Vasudev Joshi of the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha, social reformer and newspaper editor Gopal Ganesh Agarkar, Justice K. T. Telang, N. G. Chandavarkar, Dinshaw Watcher, Bayramji Malabari, journalist and activist Guti Kasava Pillai, and P. Rangaya Naidu of the Madras Mahajana Sabha. This small elite group, unrepresentative of the Indian masses at the time, functioned more as a stage for elite Indian ambitions than a political party for the first decade of its existence. At the beginning of the 20th century, Congress demands became more radical in the face of constant opposition from the British government, and the party decided to advocate in favor of the independence movement because it would allow a new political system in which Congress could be a major party. By 1905, a division opened between the moderates led by Gokhale, who downplayed public agitation, and the new extremists who advocated agitation and regarded the pursuit of social reform as a distraction from nationalism. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who tried to mobilize Hindu Indians by appealing to an explicitly Hindu political identity, displayed in the annual public Ganapati festivals he inaugurated in western India, was prominent among the extremists. Congress included a number of prominent political figures. Dadabhai Naoroji, a member of the sister Indian National Association, was elected president of the party in 1886 and was the first Indian member of parliament in the British House of Commons. Congress also included Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Jinnah was a member of the moderate group in the Congress, favoring Hindu-Muslim unity in a